for joining me today. This is Laura from LK Lifestyles. Today we're making steamed shrimp in the Instant Pot, which is a staple in the paleo diet. It's great to have seafood handy. We're going to use this fun steamer I found in the back of a kitchen cabinet, and we're going to use it in our Instant Pot with these simple, easy ingredients to make steamed shrimp in less than 20 minutes. The first thing that I'm going to do is thaw out some shrimp. I'm using 12 ounces of shrimp that I got at Walmart. I buy the peeled, deveined, tail off, and raw shrimp because I don't like messing around with it too much. The next step is to thaw out the shrimp, and I'm going to do that by running it under some cool water and letting it sit for about 10 minutes to thaw out before I put it in the steamer in the Instant Pot. 10 minutes is usually plenty of time to let your shrimp thaw out so that it's ready to steam. To steam shrimp in your Instant Pot, we're going to use the steam feature, which I use a lot. I've already put a cup of water in, and I'm going to use that steamer that I found to steam these shrimp, which are almost ready. They're mostly thawed out right now. It was pretty cool water because I didn't want them to cook too fast. I want to show you the seasonings that I'm going to use to steam this shrimp with. I have some organic smoked paprika, Himalayan pink salt. I use Perfect Pinch Cajun and my favorite seasoning, Old Bay, and some granulated garlic. I use 1 teaspoon of each to make this mix, and what I'm going to do is stir it around to mix it up, and I'm going to sprinkle that over the shrimp once it's thawed and drained. The shrimp took about 10 minutes to thaw. I thawed it in cool water, and now I'm going to put about half of the seasonings that I just mixed onto the shrimp and give it a little hand tossing. Of course, I'm going to wash my hands really well when I've done this because I'm touching raw shrimp. And once it's tossed in the seasonings, I'm just going to put it directly into the steamer in the Instant Pot. It doesn't need to sit for long. Once we steam this shrimp in the Instant Pot, it will take on all of those flavors that we just tossed in there. I placed all of the shrimp on the steamer in the Instant Pot with 1 to 1.5 cups of water underneath it on the trivet. We're going to make sure that we lock the Instant Pot lid on top now and make sure that the vent on top is set to closed so that you don't release any steam. Going to come down to the steam button on your Instant Pot and press that. You can use the adjust key to adjust it to a low setting and the plus and minus keys to set it for 3 minutes, and press the steam button again to get it started. It's only been about 8 minutes from start to finish with the cook cycle, but we now have 12 ounces of delicious steamed and flavorful shrimp. I use this shrimp in a lot of different recipes. I often chill it and make shrimp salad out of it. It tastes like it came out of a deli with some homemade mayonnaise and dill and a couple of other seasonings. You can toss it over zoodles. It's great in a lot of different dishes. Here's a better view of the shrimp. I took it out of the Instant Pot and just left it on the steamer to show you. If you like this recipe and you want a couple more short, easy videos on things that you can use in your paleo life, subscribe to LK Lifestyles and like this video. Thanks for watching.